I have an old spinner which almost doesn't spin. Oops. I want to make another spinner. What would be just like this one, but new. Beep, beep, beep. Look, Boasty arrived. Whoa! What a bit! Look at what they had piled up. They had piled up all this. Look at the bearing on the other side. I can see that it's plastic and metal. And look what we got in. It's kind of ping pong little balls attached. Look kids, this is a skateboard bearing. And look how it gets when it's getting stuck. Now you see the ping pong balls. And look how it is when it spins. Whoa, you cannot see it. I can stop it, look. We must close it to it be even. Do you know what would happen if it's not even? Well, I can answer that. If it's not even, it would make noise. If we want to make the same spinner, we have to draw a shape, the same shape of this old spinner. We're going to cut out this spinner. Look, it got out. Look, we have to get this thing out. Let's make a little sausage. Look at this. Do you know what we have to do now, kids? You must stick it all around in the circle. If we can make a spinner with lights, it would be amazing. It would look beautiful. What I'm making now, I'm making sausage from tack. Do you know why? Because I'm going to put it in. Look, we put it. Actually, it's not for spinning it like this. As you can see, the same thing with this spinner. It happened. And now we're going to put the cover. Yeah, the red cover. And on the other side, look what a spinner. Beep, 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 beep. Look, let me open. And we are going to get that out. Do you know what that is, kids? That's called LEDs. Light emitting diode. Look at it. I'm going to open the other one. And the other one. If you count correctly, you should get 3 LEDs. Now I need to get the batteries out. Look, we got all of them out. Let's look at which color this LED is. Whoa, did you see that? Whoa, that's red. Red. Which one is this? blue or which? Oh, it's on the other side. That's what we should know. I'm correct. It's blue. And the last one, maybe it's green. Maybe I'm correct. Look, an important trick. You must always put the minus on the little hand and the plus on the bigger hand. See? This is green. It even represents me. Wow. It makes so light, all these LEDs. You must make an LED spinner. Do you know how? You must put the battery and then put the light bulb, LED, and then you would power up. And you know what would happen? At the night, you would have a really interesting fidget spinner. This would be a switch. It should be a little. Look at it. Do you know what this can do? Well, because paper doesn't pass electricity, and that's good for us. If we put the paper in the light bulb here, it means the circuit won't work, and it means that the light bulb would not work. So this is a switch. Look how the paper can stop it to really believe me. See? Stopped. As also you can see, kids, this light bulb gives a lot of energy. Also, do you know the right way how to put it? As you can notice, we bended this. And do you know why? Because when it's bended, it's easier to put the paper in. Look what I'm doing. I'm putting this plasticine over like this on the plus. And we have to do that on each battery. LED. And we have to attach it to this fidget spinner. Look at it spin. Now let us look how it spins with the lights. It spin. Whoa. Now it's already going to get dark in 1 second. Look at such a fidget spinner. Whoa! I could never believe it's such beautiful. Whoa, look, the light is back. Whoa, that was a really quick, that was a really quick evening. Night. Now to us, it's the next day's morning. Now we need to turn it off. Please check out my other videos. Click on the subscribe button. And if you want, you can click on any of those videos popping out here. For today, bye! Whoa, what a spinner! Whoa!